Children of the Asmat tribe in Papua, barely alive. Their bodies exhausted and weak from hunger and disease. Undernourished, they're battling against outbreaks of measles and chickenpox. Military medical teams have arrived in some remote areas. Maria EPAM and her husband LINUS had to travel for 5 hours and feared their 6-month-old daughter would not survive.
Our daughter has been in this bad condition for quite a while, but only now have people come to our village to help.
Ella, KKR, is 5 years old, but her body is less than half the size of a healthy child her age. Villagers say 29 children in her village alone have died.
We rowed our boats to a health post in another village, but when we arrived they rejected us. Some of our children made it there alive, but some died. We buried them there. Others died on the way. We buried them next to the river.
Villagers tell us that local authorities never visited their village, even after a measles outbreak was reported last September.
Yes, we have very limited means and staff, but this doesn't mean we are trying very hard. What we need is not just to be criticised, but real help. Those who criticise us, I want to invite to work here.
Church officials estimate hundreds of children of the Asmat tribe have died so far, but many deaths have not been reported.
My question is, does anyone really care about these children who are dying? Does anyone want to go there and get real data about their condition? And why do we only now say this is a problem?
The Asmat tribe is best known for its past history of headhunting and cannibalism and living off the forest. But introduced to modern life and money, they are struggling to survive without government aid. For 4 months they desperately have tried to find help, but their cries to save their children's lives fell on deaf ears. This health crisis shows that government assistance is not reaching poor Papuans living in these forgotten parts of the archipelago. While help has come for these Asmat children, many others remain in their remote villages. Their only hope is help will arrive in time. Step Vaessen, Al Jazeera, Agats, Papua.